How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech Spotlight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our Z surface mount colors and compare our TIR versus our MultiColor Linear. So first up here, I have our Z3 TIR in an amber color. Now we offer our Z3 TIR in amber, red, blue, green, and clear. But again, I brought an amber color here for example. Now next to that unit, I have our MultiColor Z6 Linear, and on this unit, I brought an amber clear color combination. Now on our MultiColor, you'll notice that your unit is flashing back and forth between its primary and secondary colors. Now on this unit, my primary color is amber and my secondary color is clear. But we do offer our MultiColor units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear MultiColor options. Now another cool feature on our MultiColor series with clear as your secondary color, now when you activate your green steady burn override cable, that will activate your secondary color in steady burn. So for example here, I went ahead and hooked up the green steady burn override cable of my Z3 TIR and my MultiColor Z6 to my last switch on my 3 switch box here. Now this is a momentary switch, so I'll hold it down for example here, but I went ahead and hooked up the green steady burn override cable, so you'll see that my Z3 TIR will steady burn in the color ordered of my unit, and my MultiColor Z6 will steady burn in my secondary color ordered. Now that was an amber clear MultiColor unit, so my secondary color is clear there, and so you'll see you can easily activate your steady burn override with your green cable, or if you want to, you can easily deactivate that and go back to your warning mode. And your steady burn override will override the warning mode of your unit, so you can easily hook up your red power cable to one switch and your green steady burn override cable to another switch to activate those two functions. And again, that's our Z3 TIR and our MultiColor Z6 Linear. Now let's go ahead and move over to our Z4 TIR and our MultiColor Z8. So here I brought our Z4 TIR in a red-blue color combination. Now we do offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, and solid or half-half color combinations like you see here with our red-blue. And then next to that unit, I brought our MultiColor Z8. Now I brought our MultiColor Z8 in a red, blue, amber color combination. Now you'll notice again on your MultiColor unit, your primary color would be red, blue, and your secondary color is amber. So you'll see that your unit is flashing back and forth between your primary and secondary colors. And we do offer our MultiColor Z's in amber, red, blue, green, and clear MultiColor options. Now on these units, I went ahead and hooked up the flash pattern cable to the last switch on my 6 switch box. That will be a momentary switch, so I can easily change my flash patterns. And then these units do have memory recall, so you can find a pattern you'd like, you can shut these units off, and then when you turn them back on, they will remember the last pattern they were on. So there you can see the example between our Z4 TIR and our MultiColor Z8 Linear. Now let's go ahead and move over to our Z6 TIR and our MultiColor Z12. So here I brought our Z6 TIR in an amber clear color combination. Now again, we offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid or half-half color combinations. And for example here, I brought an amber clear color unit. Now this is just our standard Z6 TIR, but we also have our Z6 TIR Super Takedown, where you'll have your clear as a secondary, where you activate your green cable, and that will activate your clear in steady burn, plus you'll have your warning mode in the color ordered. Or we also have our Z6 brake light as well, that has that same functionality, but your secondary LEDs will be red. So if you need to activate your unit in all red, you can easily do that with your green steady burn override cable, or again your main power cable, your red cable, will activate your unit in warning mode. And again, for example here, this is our standard Z6 TIR in an amber clear color combination. Now next to that one, I have our MultiColor Z12. Now on our MultiColor Z12, I did bring a green amber clear color combination, so my primary color would be green amber and my secondary color is clear. And you'll notice your unit is flashing back and forth between green amber and clear in the warning mode there. Now on this unit, I went ahead and hooked up the green steady burn override cable to another power switch on my 6 switch box here, so I can easily activate that, and that will activate my unit in steady burn override, overriding the warning functionality. And again, I ran my green cable to one power button, and then I ran my red warning mode to another power button, and my steady burn override does override the warning functionality of my unit. But this would be an example where I have that hooked up to two separate switches here, so I can easily flop between my warning mode, or I can activate my super takedown mode if I would like to. And that's a great use with our MultiColor Z series surface mounts, or again, we do offer our Z6 super takedown and Z6 brake light. So that gives you an overview of our Z surface mounts and the difference between our TIR and our MultiColor Linear. And we do have amber, red, blue, green, and clear color combinations for any application. So make sure to watch the product demos and use our interactive players, and also check out the flash pattern videos on the product pages for full product information. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.